This is a get out sound effect button. It's part of this website called My Instance, which has a lot of really popular sound effects and buttons that when you click them, make the sound of the sound effect. What I did is I created a Google extension that tracks how many times you press any given sound effect button and tell you a few stats like how long you've been doing it and how many times you're pressing per minute. With this new technology, I decided to press the get out sound effect button, which I originally thought was from Breaking Bad, but turns out it's just from a random TikTok guy, 10,000 times.
The get out scream. It was a meme made by a random TikTok account of a player screaming get out in a GTA lobby. Get out!
Okay. Yeah, I honestly had no idea about the origin story. I just knew it was a very popular sound effect on Instagram and TikTok, but I decided to press it 10,000 times. I recorded a time-lapse of me doing this yesterday, but I used Apple's time-lapse feature, which doesn't include audio, but you can still see me repeatedly pressing the spacebar thousands of times. If you want me to include audio for the next version, the next time I do this, let me know. Now I'm just going to show the rest of the time-lapse and I'll put some classical music with it. My hand was definitely hurting towards the end of this, but I'm probably going to do it again, so comment any thoughts you might have. Well, those were all the time lapses, and then for the last 10 clicks, I just recorded them myself. This was just one of the random ideas I had, so I hope somebody found this interesting, and see you guys later.